Hello everyone, this is Renika from Institute of High Performance Computing, A-Star, Singapore. I'm going to present our work on two-phase multi-party computation enabled privacy preserving federated learning. The smart manufacturing, known as Industry 4.0, make the Internet of Things to be widely adopted in smart factories to monitor machines and deploy automatic operations using deep learning. The IoT data from a single smart factory is not sufficient to come up with high quality DL models. Therefore, data sharing across multiple factories provides a potential cost effective solution to improve the model accuracy. Though this approach is beneficial, the rising concerns about sharing private information among the data owners makes them reluctant to send their raw data to the central server for the model training. Data sharing in industries like healthcare, financial banking, and manufacturing may be a cumbersome process as their data is extremely sensitive and the consequences of actual and potential privacy violations can be serious. The traditional way of just collecting the data and processing it may no longer apply. The data is often remaining as silos within the individual companies and highly protected. The federated learning, a new framework for AI model development, which is introduced by Google. It enables effective learning using fragmented and isolated data across the organizations in a privacy preserving manner. It also enables the data owners collaboratively train a model while any data owner does not expose its data to the others. As shown in the figure, the centralized server sends the baseline machine learning model to the clients. Each client trains its own submodel using its local data. After training is completed, each client sends their fine-tuned model back to the central system. The central system collects all the client submodels and aggregates them. Then the aggregated models are sent back to the clients out over and over again until they have learned all there is to learn. Then the learned model is used by an application. However, this method requires all the client to test the central server for the model aggregation, but the single point of failure of the centralized server would disrupt the training process of all the clients. Also, the model parameters can be vulnerable to reverse engineering attacks where the attackers can extract the sensitive information about the datasets from the model. In order to ensure the confidentiality of all the information and prevent the indirect data leakage, the model's parameters needed to be securely encrypted. In this work, we use the secure multi-party computation protocol to encrypt the model parameters. There are two types of federated learning. In horizontal federated learning, the data sets share the same future space but different in samples. For example, the regional hospitals or the manufacturing companies have the entire future set and labels available to train their local model. In vertical federated learning, all the participating parties, example, banks, insurance, and e-commerce companies within the same city, collect the data with different future spaces and only one party has access to the label. Parties without a label are unable to train a model on their own due to the lack of the information. As a result of this, additional layer of complexity is added to securely align the sample spaces, and the training process requires exchanging partial model updates. In this work, we focus only on horizontal federated learning. We propose the serverless federated learning platform where all the clients can directly interact with each other without the demand for the centralized server and resilient to single point of failure. Also, the sharing of models in our peer-to-peer federated learning platform does not compromise the privacy by using the MPC protocol for secure model aggregation. However, as the number of the clients increases, MPC introduces overhead in both communication as well as computation. In order to improve the scalability, we propose a two-phase MPC enabled federated learning framework. Phase 1 uses the peer-to-peer MPC to elect a subset of federated learning parties as the model aggregation committee members. The MPC enabled model aggregation begins in phase 2, where all the parties in the FL community train the models locally using their local data sets. It is then split into M secret shares and sent to the committee members for secure MPC based model aggregation. After receiving the secret shares, the committee members work together to conduct confidential model aggregation and then broadcast the aggregated model to all the FL parties. The proposed federated learning framework is integrated with our in-house IIoT platform for smart manufacturing application. The integrated system consists of three components. The first one is the edge device, which can be a mini PC or a Raspberry Pi, collect the data from the machine or sensors and extracting the futures from the raw data. Consequently, the future data are pushing to the IIoT platform through the standard communication protocols like MQTT and OPCUA. The second component is the IIoT platform that can be deployed on on-premise or cloud servers. It receives the streaming data from the edge device and then visualizes it on the dashboard for real-time monitoring. And the third component is the data analytics system that can also be deployed on on-premise or cloud servers. The streaming data are served into the database. Using this historical data, the companies could train their machine learning models in different models, that is local training, centralized training, or federated training. The experiment are conducted on the following three different environments. The first environment is the local single server environment in which all the parties run corresponding processes on a single local server. The second environment is the AWS same region environment in which all the parties run on virtual machine instances at the same region. And the third environment is AWS cross region environment in which all the parties run on virtual machine instances at different 8 regions. For example, we consider Singapore, Canada, London, Ireland, Tokyo, and Mumbai. The table compares the accuracy score of the proposed EFL method with the centralized training and local training. Experiment result shows that federated learning achieves comparable prediction accuracy with centralized learning, and also federated learning models outperform the local models. We evaluate the communication cost in terms of the number of the shares communicated between all pairs of the parties. The number of the exchange shares is in the increasing trend with respect to the number of the parties in the traditional MPC enabled FL because all the parties exchange their shares with all their other parties in the FL framework, whereas our proposed two-phase MPC enabled frame federated learning resulted in fewer communication messages because all parties exchange their shares with only a subset of elected committee members. The traditional peer-to-peer framework is definitely not scalable in terms of increasing number of the parties. Fortunately, by adopting the proposed two-phase MPC election and model aggregation, the system is much more scalable. From this graph, it has been observed that the execution time is reduced by 25 times when the number of the participating parties is equal to 128. Similarly, when the number of the participating parties equal to 16, the two-phase framework is 1.97 times and 4.56 times faster than peer-to-peer framework for AWS same region and AWS cross region respectively. To conclude, we developed a two-phase MPC enabled framework that supports multiple organizations to collectively learn a machine learning model while keeping private data on premise. and it is also integrated with an IIoT platform for smart manufacturing. It achieved comparable prediction accuracy versus the traditional centralized learning, and it also significantly reduced the communication cost and improved the system scalability. Depending on the number of the parties, it achieves 2 to 25 times of speed of on execution time of the federated learning for both simple and complex neural networks models. Okay, thank you.